In product to model, you can just upload a product photo, flat layer ghost mannequin, click run, and without any special instructions, already get a nice looking result of an on model shot, a model wearing your product. But in this video, we'll go deeper into the options that you have here to customize the result. Let's start with text instructions, like laying down, like I want the model to lay down. And I can change the aspect ratio of the result to be wide, which would make more sense for someone laying down. And I can select to see multiple results at once, to see more options. So let's take a look at the first option here. It looks nice, actually laying down. The second one, not so much, not really laying down. This is just a preview, by the way. The actual result is in full resolution, like we showed here before. Let's see more control options. For example, instead of writing text instructions, you can pass an image prompt. An image that will tell the AI how exactly you want the final shot to look like. So I have here this more e-commerce style PDP shot. And that's all I need to generate a result that looks exactly like this. So it's not a try-on. We didn't put the shirt on this image prompt. We created an entirely new image, but in the same style. Next, let's see how we can control the background with a background reference. So I have this image here of a bench in a park. And what's special about our tool is that the model can actually interact with the background. It's not just a backdrop. So I wrote man sitting on the bench. And as you can see in the result, we actually have a man sitting on the bench interacting with it. So it's a powerful tool. We blend the model naturally with the provided reference, and you can do many cool things with it. Next, let's see your options for controlling identity. With face reference, you can provide a portrait photo of the person you want to see appear in the final result. And Fashion AI is extremely good at preserving the identity of the person and also maintaining consistency. So this is a great option for you to avoid AI looking models. You can provide a real person and making sure they look the same across generations. Finally, let's cover the resolution parameter. Resolution is not just for determining the size of the image, it's also the character. Precise 1K resolution is the default option, it's the most reliable. Balanced 4K is the best option for controlling 4K resolutions, but it can still hallucinate some details. Creative 4K is the best for campaign editorial shots because it has a really nice aesthetic, but it's very hard to control. Let's have a look at what balanced 4K can do. I'm going to try to challenge it with a difficult prompt this time. Side view, sitting on a sidewalk, autumn, and falling leaves to make it a challenging scene. I'm running it, and let's see the result. In the first result, we didn't get a face, so let's focus on the second one. And wow, take a look. It did everything we asked for: side view, sidewalk, autumn, falling leaves, great lighting, great textures on the sidewalk, on the fabric, really exceptional realism, and that's the power of balanced 4K. Next, let's have a look at Creative 4K for editorial or campaign style shots. And let's use image prompt again. I have this cool image from Zara that showcases the style I'm looking for. And let's run it and see how Creative 4K blends our product with this image prompt. So the first result already looks really cool, nice perspective, cool interpretation of the image prompt. I like the first one, so I'll focus on it. And it's important to emphasize that this is true 4K. You can zoom in on the face, you can zoom in on the hands, the details are perfect. And this is the kind of shots that Creative 4K excels at. Okay, and this wraps up our product to model video. And I really hope this will help you create the perfect images that your products deserve. See you in the next video. Bye.